Students, now we can study the sixth question. Let f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Find f composite f. Second one, f composite f. Same function, but we are doing 2 times and 3 times. Okay, so first of all we can write the given function f of x is equal to x square minus 1. It is given. Next, first one, to find f composite f. Always whenever you find a composite function, you have to use the variable. What variable is given for the functional value f of x, that variable you have to find out. Okay, that is, otherwise you can write this f composite f, the variable is x. Okay, now we can separate. No need to write the composite symbol. You can put the bracket. So f of x. Understood? So f of, what is f of x value? It is x square minus 1. In this bracket, this is f of x. It is the inner bracket. So inner bracket value only we have to write first. The inner bracket is x square minus 1. So instead of this f of x, this x square minus 1 we are writing. Okay, now we have another one, f of x square minus 1. So this x square minus 1 you consider as x. In this place x. So replace this x by x square minus 1. Are you clear? Okay, replace x by x square minus 1. Okay, f of x is equal to x square minus 1. In this place you have x, here you have x. So in this, instead of this x, you have to put this x square minus 1. So what will you get? X square minus 1 the whole square. Okay, instead of this x, we replaced this value. So x square minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Are you clear? So we can write this, it is equal to x square minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Yes, which is equal to, we can use the identity a minus b the whole square. What you get? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you will get a square, it is x square the whole square, it is x power 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x square. Here the coefficient is 1. So here also the coefficient is 1. So minus 2 into minus 2 into x square. Okay. Next, plus b square, b value is 1. So 1 square is 1. Minus, so this first term over, now second term minus 1. Okay, we can cancel the plus 1 and minus 1. So we will get x power 4 minus 2x square. Are you clear? So you are getting this f composite f of x is equal to x square minus x power 4 minus 2x square. Okay, that is the first one answer. F composite f of x is equal to, whenever you write the functional value, this value in x, you have to write in of x. Okay, x power 4 minus 2x square. It is the first one answer. Like this you can find out the second one. There we have 2 steps. Okay, first we have to complete the inner one. So to find f composite f. So we need to find out f composite f of x. Okay, our variable is x. So we have to write like this, which is equal to f composite f of x. Okay, this one set of bracket, this another set of bracket, which is equal to f composite f of, what is the f of x value that we got, we have in the question itself, it is x square minus 1. So we can write it is x square minus 1, like the previous question. Like we can change this f of x square minus 1. There you have the f of x square minus 1. So we can write it directly. It is here this value After reducing the plus 1 minus 1, totally f of x square minus 1 value is x power 4 minus 2x square. So I am writing this directly. It is f of, okay, this f of x square minus 1 value is x power 4 minus 2x square. Okay, from 1. Are you clear? Now next we can do, okay, from 1 we got this. If the first question did not ask, you have to do the same step here. Okay, since in the first question we completed and find the value of f of x square minus 1, we written instead of this f of x square minus 1 directly. Okay, now we can do the same way. F of this together, this two step you consider as f of x. Okay, in the question they given f of x is equal to x square minus 1, but here you have x power 4 minus 2x square. Okay, so in the place of x you replace x power 4 minus 2x square. So in this place of x you replace x power 4 minus 2x square. So what you get? X power 4 minus 2x square the whole square. Are all clear? Instead of this x, here you have x. The same way for this function f of x power 4 minus 2x square, replace this by x. Okay, so we got this. Instead of this x, you have to write x power 4 minus 2x square. So this power, so since we have two terms, we are writing the whole power minus 1. Okay, no need to expand. This is the final answer in the book. So you can stop it and write the answer. F composite f is equal to x power 4 minus 2x square the whole square minus 1. Are you all clear?